Penetration testing. Now we're gonna install Greenshot as well as we're gonna install the keep node. Okay, so in the previous video we downloaded and installed Kali Linux, and also we installed the Oracle VirtualBox, all the stuff. But now we're gonna install Greenshot, so never mind these ads. So you just go to the getgreenshot.org, and then I'm using a Windows, so what I'm gonna do is download now, and I'm gonna pick, it's gonna be Windows, so latest stable. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Let me see. So okay, install for me only recommended. Okay, that's fine. English, that's fine. I accept the agreement, that's fine. What is this? Information, please read the following important information. Next. Okay, so just read it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we can. This is pretty much straightforward. Just the full installation. Yeah, we're not gonna customize anything. Just straightforward. So Greenshot, like that. And yeah, keep also start Greenshot with the Windows start, and then install. So this is a small file, it's not gonna take that much. So let me see. Yeah, never mind this. So we have installed that one for now, and okay, finish. And let me see. So if I go right here, right now I have what's okay, I have the Greenshot right here, this Greenshot icon, that's fine. So let me just go and I'm gonna click it. Okay, so and right now I can capture a region, capture windows, and let me see, quick preferences. Okay, so I'm using an Asus ROG Zephyrus G15, so I'm gonna click Ctrl Shift S. So let me see what happens here. Yeah, so this takes a screenshot of to the snip, but I wanna do it with, I don't have the print keyboard, the print keyboard in my laptop. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna capture the region. So let me see, I wanna capture this region right here, and yeah, so only this, and I'm gonna save it to my opening image editor. Okay, so and as you can see, I'm gonna pin it. Okay, so as you can see, we have grabbed this part of my programming PJS, so we can do you wanna save it? So, okay, let's save it, and I'm gonna save it. Let me see, I can put in NVIDIA overplace or in the desktop. Yeah, we can put it on the desktop, but I'm gonna put in, I don't know, Greenshot, and let me see, new, and a new folder. So I'm just gonna name it Greenshot Pics or Greenshot Pics, something like that, and I'm gonna paste it right here, save it, and now it has been saved. Okay, so if I go, okay, so pretty much I save it here my desktop, so I can go right here, click it, and I can open it with, this is a PNG, I think. Yeah, this is a PNG. Okay, that's fine. So again, so if you are using, my laptop is an Asus ROG Zephyrus G15, so I don't have the print keyboard. So let me see what yeah, so maybe you are not gonna have that trouble, but in my case I have to go to this icon. So what I can do is, let me see, preferences. So let me see, I have capture, let me put it right here, output, destination, printer, plug, expert. I don't have it right here. So let me see, I don't have this, not output, not this one. So so right click and then configure quick preferences, destination effects, open a file, configure external commands. Okay, you can do that later. Let me see, capture full screen, quick preferences, destination. No, yeah, never mind that one. So oops, I didn't mean that. I need to go here and let me see, just capture region. So no, let me see if I'm gonna go, let me see, I'm gonna grab this one. So what I can do for now in my case, I'm gonna just right click in the Greenshot, and what else do we have here? Capture from window list. What is this? Configure. So let me see here, this one first of all. Yeah, PNG, that's fine, as well. So what else do we need here? Preferences, configure external commands, open last, open from image capture. Okay, so I'm gonna capture Windows, no capture, just region. So you just go like that, and I'm gonna capture this. Okay, so and then just open in the image editor. Okay, so I save it here, and what I'm, oops, this one, let me see, we can make this one bigger. So okay, yeah, I don't know if you're seeing this. Okay, so you can play around here. For example, we have the width 1000, I mean, yeah, 1234, and the height, so maintain my aspect ratio. So let me put, I don't know, maybe one, yeah, like that, 1800, that's fine. What else do we have here? So rotate, counterclockwise, yeah, you can play around with these. You have rotate, you have crop, you can crop it, you can effects or border, you can have a border, and let me see, you can have inverse. So right now the background is white, so let me see, now it's black. Okay, so invert it again, and grayscale, tornage, let me see, what is that? Okay, yeah, something like that, you can keep if you want. And this is something important in the, let me see, obfuscate. Okay, so let me see, I don't wanna show taking, I don't know, maybe we're gonna this part. Now you can see, let me see more, well, yeah, so you kind of see it, but it's still, let me see, oops, and let me see, Control C, I guess, yeah, Control C works. Okay, so let me put it like that, obfuscates. Oh, so I'm gonna obfuscate, oops, yeah, pretty much you're just let me see, no, not that one. Okay, let me see, oops, not that one as well. So highlight, so you wanna highlight something, maybe, I don't know, oops, not that one. Yeah, save it, we're gonna save it, and yeah, this one as well. Okay, so maybe we can put in, okay, so I'm gonna grab this one, features. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here and close this one, right click right here and capture region. Okay, and I'm gonna do like that, and then open an image editor. Okay, so now I want to obfuscate, and let me see, maybe I want to obfuscate this part. Okay, so I have the Linux, the Windows, and the Macs. Okay, so maybe I wanna highlight that, let me see, I wanna highlight, I don't know, maybe auto saving, that's fine. What else do we have here? Add counter, add speed, okay, add text. Okay, so maybe you can put here, I don't know, read me, something like that. And obviously we are gonna put it, I don't know, what else? Oops, not that one. Oh, this is the one I was looking for. Yeah, read me, something like that. And the line thickness, we can put it like that. Okay,